Part 3 of installing your laundry landscape Greywater system. We have the 3-way valve in, and it's time to do the anti-siphon. This is usually placed about 6 inches above the highest point of your washing machine. And this allows so that the water that comes through will have air to follow through, so it doesn't create a vacuum on its way out and all your water leaves the piping. It doesn't sit there. Key points for this is to get onto the outside of the house. This entails getting to drill a hole through the wall. So you want to make sure you don't hit any studs. Here it was pretty obvious, or you can use stud finder. They're usually 16 inches apart, or just kind of guesswork as to where it is. And then mark where your hole goes, and through the center of it, I use just a normal drill bit. Try and get all the way through, and then once you're all the way through, use this diamond encrusted hole bit. That helps you get through the stucco. It's usually on the outside of the houses. If it's just wood or paint and wood, then you can go straight to the wood hole bit, which you can do from either side in that case. Once the stucco's off, come back inside, go through that drill hole with your hole bit, and you have a hole. Get your pipe all the way through, and then you can add caulking to the negative space that you've created. And that's that. You're outside, and everything on the inside is done for laundry to landscape. Let's go make the plants happy.